Here's what you need to know about what is CIDR. This is an exam topic in Domain 1, Networking Concepts. By the end of this video, you'll understand the core concepts and exactly what to expect on the CompTIA Network Plus exam. Let's get into it. CIDR stands for Classless Inter-Domain Routing. It replaces the old class-based system with a flexible method of assigning IP addresses using a prefix length written as a slash followed by a number, for example 192.168. 1.0/24. CIDR reduces wasted addresses and helps slow down IPv4 exhaustion. Key concept: prefix notation explained. CIDR uses a slash and number, for example /24, to show how many bits are the network portion. The remaining bits identify individual hosts on that network. Key concept: Supernetting and Summarization. CIDR allows multiple smaller networks to be combined into one larger route entry. This is called route summarization, and it shrinks routing tables significantly. Key concept: Variable length subnet mask. CIDR enables VLSM, assigning different-sized subnets within the same network. A /30 wastes far fewer addresses than a /24 when only 2 hosts are needed. Key concept: Replacing classful addressing. Old class-based addressing forced large, wasteful blocks. CIDR lets ISPs allocate exactly the right number of addresses, matching the actual need of each organization. Let's look at the full breakdown. /8, subnet mask 255.0.0.0. Hosts 16,777,214. Use very large networks. /16, subnet mask 255.255.0.0. Hosts 65,534. Use large enterprise /24. Subnet mask 255.255.255.0. Hosts 254. Use small LAN /30. Subnet mask 255.255.255.252. Hosts 2. Use point-to-point links. Here's a real-world example. An ISP has a block of 192.168. 0.0/16. Instead of giving each customer a full /24, they use CIDR to assign a /28, 14 hosts, to a small office and a /22, 1022 hosts, to a large company. No addresses are wasted on networks that don't need them. Quick recap before you go. 1. CIDR replaces classful addressing with flexible prefix length notation, for example /24. 2. The prefix number tells you how many bits belong to the network. 3. CIDR enables route summarization, reducing the size of routing tables. 4. VLSM lets you assign different subnet sizes within the same address space. 5. CIDR extended the life of IPv4 by eliminating wasteful class-based allocation. That's what is CIDR? Covered. Exam tip. On the exam, convert CIDR prefixes to subnet masks fast. /24 =255.255.255.0, /25 =255.255.255.128, /26 =255.255.255.192, /27 =255.255.255.224, /28 =255.255.240. Next up, what is NAT? If this helped, hit subscribe. New topics drop every week.